Hey everyone, okay, so we are going to be doing concealer today, and I'll do all the swatches at the end for you, but first of all, I just want to explain how absolutely wonderful it is. So, drop that one. So, this is the new concealer by Natasha Denona called Transfix Matte Concealer. So, this is what it looks like. It is completely flawless, it is full coverage, it is matte, and it is self-setting. While you can use a bit of setting powder if you want, and it's probably best, it is self-setting, it's transfer resistant, it is an incredible concealer. So what I'm going to do is do some concealer work, and then we'll do some swatches. So I like to use concealer a little bit differently now. So I'm going to apply some underneath the eyes. Do you know what? We'll go for it. Let's apply it big. Okay, why not? Let's apply it big. Bit down the nose and a little bit here. Now, I always blend concealers with a brush first, and then I go in with the Beauty Blender afterwards, because I like to get the coverage first and then blend it so that the Beauty Blender isn't absorbing the product. And we're going to be using concealer for this entire quick demonstration, so no foundation, we'll just use this. And now I'm just going to go in and just go over that. Same thing on the other side. Blend, blend, blend. So quickly smooth out the nose, just buff that into these bloody red eyebrows. So I'm going to take a slightly deeper shade, but only a little bit, and I'm going to just add a few dots just around the outside corner of the eye, of the face, I'm so sorry. And then I'm just going to just blend this in. I mean, this is such a good concealer. It works as a foundation, it works as a concealer, it works as a bronzer, a highlighter, a contour. It's great. And whatever's left, I'm just going to go down the bridge of my sides of my nose. Quickly blend that in. Now I'm going to take a slightly deeper shade just to finish this off. So it's not a million miles away, but it is a bit warmer. And we'll just use that on the outside area. And that is a full face just using concealer. And it has set. It's completely set, but you can go over it with powder. So let's just talk shades. So there's a lot of shades to pick from, and I'll do my best to give you some swatches as best I can with the face I've got. So one thing I do want to mention is the opening of the tube. So this is the only negative. The opening of the tube can get a little bit clogged up, as in the product starts to come out. It hasn't leaked, but it comes out, so you need to bear that in mind. There's 6 mils of product. So the first one is 1N, and that's here. So it's a really light concealer. Next we've got 2R, so that's a red base. So you can see this one is starting to do the bit of leakage there. So this is number 2R. We've got 2W, or 3W, oh God, that's 3W there. We've got 4N, 5R, that's a good one, 6NY, 7Y, we've got 8R, see there you go, look, it's starting to just seep. Then we've got 9WY. 10N. There's a lot of shades to pick from, I'm telling you. 11W. 12W. 13NW. God's sake. Get on with it, Gossy. We are nearly there. 14W. 15R, which is going to go here. 16WY, which is this shade here. And finally, we've got 17NR. Then we're getting to the deeper shades, 18WY. 19N, which is like a colour I think you see a lot of people use when they're my skin tone, contouring. Next we've got 20W, there's 3 more, and we've got 21W, which is here, and the last 2 is 22R. How beautiful that shade is. This gorgeous red base to it. And 23N. That is the final shades. That's all of them swatched. Oh, it's such a good formula. If you... The ironic thing is that radiant concealers are wonderful, but we tend to set them and therefore the radiancy evaporates before our eyes. If you're looking for a full coverage concealer, this is a great one. 6 mils of product, very full coverage, can be used as a foundation, highlighter, concealer, whatever you really want. It is truly amazing. And by the way, for those who are wondering, these are all mine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.